Friends, 6 years of financially saving so that we could afford to replace the parking lot. What was formerly some concrete in some areas, asphalt in some areas, and then just left to gravel and dirt. We wanted to make this where it was truly a beautiful parking lot, a place where people could safely park their cars and get in and out without having any trip hazards, and making it wheelchair compliant for our friends in wheelchairs and on walkers. We are so excited with the results. But like I said, we saved for 6 years because the CRC is a debt-free ministry, which means that if we spend $1, we have to have the dollar to do it. So 6 years of savings. And once we had all the funds ready for this project, we then started the project last November. So last November is when we began the first of this project, where we were doing the concrete lane in one section. We poured concrete over 6 phases to be able to do the entire parking lot. The entire process was an 8-phase process to do all the things that we needed to do. So in this, what we have done is we have corrected the drainage. We've also added some areas of drainage. We took the crushed concrete and asphalt that was currently in our former parking lot, and we used it on the road that would lead to the grotto area. Where there was a former road, but that road was real sunken in, and often if it rained would be non-accessible. So because of that, we took the concrete and the crushed asphalt and we spread it on that. So we still now in the grotto area will have a place where we need to bring in a roller to roll it to crush the concrete. We also took some of it and we filled in our bayou wall where we've lost a lot of land, just to brace it so we don't lose additional land until we can go in and do the bayou wall new. We have done on both sides of the parking lot, one going to the lodge side and one on the room side, where we were able, if you remember on the room side, we used to have a wood ramp, and that wood ramp was not wheelchair accessible, as far as it was very difficult for a person in a wheelchair to push themselves over or roll themselves over because of how steep it was. It wasn't in compliance. As well as that wood ramp blocked 2 of the lanes. So now we have all 3 lanes that are fully accessible. In addition to that, we have the safety for the rails so nobody falls off the sidewalk where the ditch then runs the water underneath. We've also gotten rid of those parking signs with pull up to the rope, and now our parking lot is fully painted with fire lanes for safety and for emergency crews to be able to easily access the parking lot. And I'm happy to say here it is in August, and we have completed our inspection, both not just with the city, but also with the state, who does ADA compliance. I just want to thank each and every single one of you that donate to the CRC. Each and every one of you allow us to do these renovations. So thank you so much.